Hi everyone, this is our second week's lesson for culinary, and we're going to still continue on with the subject of pantries, but this time we are going to kind of look at your own pantry at home. So I want to go ahead and advance the slide, look at the next one. Now that you know what pantry pests are, kind of what they look like, what types of foods they can infest, I want you to go and examine your own pantry. So I would like you to use the questions on the attachment in Classroom. It'll be on a Google Doc, and there'll be 4 questions that you're going to have in mind or keep in mind when you're inspecting your home pantry. Make sure that you have, if you need it, some students might, make sure you've got your family or your parent permission to go into the pantry and begin doing this. So you're going to inspect it, and you're going to be looking for, are there any crumbs? How clean is your pantry? Mine isn't always that clean. It's cleaner now that I don't have children at home, but I remember when I did, there was usually cereal all over and little crumbs. So I want you to inspect it for food particles on the shelves. I want you to, with parent permission, kind of organize or take a section or the whole thing if you feel you'd like to, and I want you to organize it, make sure it's clean, and kind of start inspecting the food. And I would like you to take a picture before and after when you clean it, if it's going to be a big difference, especially. I'd like to see how you organize it. Make sure that the containers that your food is stored in are airtight containers. So kind of look around and see, how is your food stored? Do you feel like it's stored properly and safely? And then I want you to look into at least 2 different types of grains. So maybe a cereal grain, sugar, flour, those type things, and see if there's any infestation going on. And I would like you to let me know which ones that you looked at. And then for pantry organization, I have attached or included this in this Google slide presentation only if you're interested. It's not part of the required assignment for your homework, but this will give you ideas on how to have an organized pantry. Even if you don't have a lot of money in this big, beautiful storage space, not everyone has that. You can use so many different cabinets and areas of your house to store a pantry. And there are inexpensive containers and baskets and ways you can do that. And so these 2 websites, the 2 links here, will help you discover that and get some ideas. And then remember, I'm always available for you through email and video conferencing each day of the week, the video conferencing between 10 and 11. But you can email me at any time and I will be watching that. So I hope last week went well for you, and I hope this week does as well. And then we will be doing some hands-on cooking for our next assignment, and I will share more about that next time. We'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.